In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the selection in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, non-destructive workflow so you can pull out part of an image and work on it separately without risking your original. Start by making sure the correct layer is highlighted in the Layers panel. If you have multiple layers, this helps you copy exactly what you intend. First, duplicate the layer. In the Layers panel, right-click the layer you want to work on and choose Duplicate. This creates a safety net, so the original remains untouched. I recommend renaming the duplicate so you can spot it at a glance. From here on, do your selection and copy on this duplicate. Next, make your selection. Choose the Selection Brush tool when you're isolating an object with irregular edges. Just paint over the subject, and the marching ants will follow the edges. Use the plus or minus modes to add to or subtract from the selection, and adjust the brush width for tight areas. For clean geometric areas, switch to the rectangular or elliptical marquee and drag out a precise shape. If you're targeting areas by color, try the Flood Select tool, then tweak the tolerance to include more or fewer pixels. Take a moment to refine if needed. Click, refine, and use feather, smooth, or ramp to soften edges, and zoom in to check hairlines and corners before you confirm. With the selection active, copy it. You'll know it's active if you see the marching ants. Press Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac plus C. Only the selected pixels on the active layer are copied, which is why duplicating and choosing the correct layer matters. If you get an empty paste, double-check that the selection hasn't been deselected and that the right layer is highlighted. Now paste. Press Ctrl or CMD plus V. Affinity Photo adds the copied area as a new pixel layer directly above your current layer, completely independent of the original. Grab the Move tool to place it exactly where you want. To resize, drag the corner handles. Hold Shift to keep proportions, and use snapping for neat alignment. Because it's on its own layer, you can apply adjustments, filters, or masks without affecting the rest of the image. And that's it. Duplicate to stay safe, select precisely, copy, then paste to a new layer so you can move, resize, and edit confidently.